Hello folks, my fellow coin community members. Can anyone identify where this coin originates from? I'm looking at the word Deutschland and I'm thinking it's German in origin, but in 1972 I think there was two different Germanys, East and West Germany. If anyone can identify this coin for me and the composition of its metal, or history of the leaf on the front, why is it on there? And also, I'm not turning it over to the back because I don't want my fingers in the way. But I was thinking that if Goldwaschen and Pay Dirt can answer the question for me, I'm pretty sure he was familiar with this, or anyone else can comment below. If you have a chance, please take a look at my video, share, describe anything you see on here that's information I might need to use, and get back to me as soon as you can. Hope you guys are having a great day. Goldwaschen, if you're listening, please comment below. Everybody else, I'll see you online. Bye-bye for now.